We're Mike and Amy from Mike and Amy's Small Town Adventures, a travel couple based out of beautiful Galena, Illinois. Today is October 22nd, 2025, just 3 days before this year's big parade. And as we get ready for another amazing weekend, we're kicking off our new travel series, 200 videos from the small towns we've explored across America. Galena is a town of just 3,500 people, but when parade day rolls around, more than 40,000 visitors pack these streets. For one incredible afternoon, our quiet little town becomes the heartbeat of the Midwest. The streets overflow with color, laughter, and the sound of marching bands. You can smell caramel corn in the air and feel that crisp fall breeze sweeping through Main Street. Kids wave flags, families cheer, and strangers smile like old friends. There's history in these bricks. Ulysses S. Grant once called Galena home, and Abraham Lincoln walked these same streets. That pride still echoes through every parade, every storefront, every smile. This is episode 1 of 200 in our journey, and it all starts right here in Galena. We're Mike and Amy, and if you love exploring places like this, hit subscribe and join us on the road, because you're never too old to travel.